Good day, students. Let us continue with our study in our biology subject, where we have studied in the last lecture the five kingdom system of classification. Actually, the representation of five kingdom system of classification in a cladogram, which the five kingdom system was given by R.H. Whittaker in the year 1969. Now today, as I told you in the last lecture, that we have to study the five kingdom system of classification in detail. That is the part of our syllabus. But before that, as we have discussed yesterday, we are going to go for the taxonomic hierarchy. That means we are going to study the hierarchical order of the units of classification. We have to study the classification of certain organisms and then go for the scientific names of organisms. So in our lecture today, we will study the taxonomic hierarchy. Okay. Now for the word hierarchy. What do you mean by hierarchy? Hierarchy is ranking system. Right? So, in fact, if you go for the ranking system in your class, say, then you have a first ranker, second ranker, third ranker, so on, up to something, let us say like the last ranker. So, there is an order of arranging from the higher percentage side to the lowest percentage side. This arrangement is a sort of hierarchy. Okay. तसंच वर्गीकरणामध्ये क्लासिफिकेशनमध्ये ऑर्गॅनिझम्स हे अशा प्रकारच्या कॅटेगरीज मध्ये अरेंज केले जातात. एक हायेस्ट मोठी कॅटेगरी टू द स्मॉलेस्ट कॅटेगरी. Okay, so in this way, when organisms are arranged in the units of classification in a descending order, the entire systemic arrangement is called as the taxonomic hierarchy. काय म्हणायचं त्याला? Taxonomic hierarchy. So before we go for the hierarchy of the units of classification, let us write down the definition of taxonomic hierarchy. Okay? So let us write down the definition of taxonomic hierarchy. What is this taxonomic hierarchy? It is the manner of, what is it? It is a manner of scientific grouping. शास्त्रीय वर्गीकरणाची पद्धत. It is the manner of scientific grouping. कशाचं scientific grouping करायचं? Of different taxonomic categories. Okay, of different taxonomic categories. In what order we have to group them? In descending order. उतरत्या क्रमाने. How is it arranged? In descending order. On what basis? कशाच्या आधारित this descending order is being paid? On the basis of their positions in classification. So what is the position of that category in the systematics of classification? Accordingly, when the categories are arranged in the descending order, that becomes the taxonomic hierarchy. Okay? So pen down this definition in your notebook. It's a need. You are asked what this definition is. What is this definition of taxonomic hierarchy? Now we are going to go for the terms that we are going to use in this hierarchical order, and that is a taxon, singular taxon, plural taxa, and a category. So let us define the taxon, other important definition. Taxon. mean by a taxon? It is nothing but a group of living organisms. What is it? It is a group of living organisms. Sajivansa, a group of living organisms. Now, is it merely a group of living organisms? Any group can be considered to be a taxon? No. It is the group of living organisms which is used to represent the concrete unit. एका स्पेसिफिक युनिटला रिप्रेझेंट करण्यासाठी एक लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझमचा ग्रुप जेव्हा आपण कन्सिडर करतो that becomes a taxon. So it is a group of living organisms used to represent a concrete unit. What do you mean by concrete? Concrete doesn't mean जे concrete आपण स्लॅब घालण्यासाठी वापरतो ते. Concreteचा अर्थ something that is solid. Something solid याचा अर्थ असा नाही की जे दगडासारखं solid आहे. No. Something that is firm, confirmed. की this all should be included in this. हे जेव्हा confirm होतं, that is a concrete unit. जसं आपण म्हणतो ना concrete decision. In that aspect this adjective is used. So it is the group of living organisms to represent a concrete unit. Okay, that becomes a taxon. This is a singular word. Its plural will become taxa. What is the plural of this word? Plural of this word is taxa. One taxon, many taxa. Okay. Now, who coined this word taxon? Remember, it was coined by, who coined the word taxon? H.J. Lang. Who coined this word? Who gave us this word taxon? It was given by H.J. Lang. And in what year was it given? In the year 1948. Important because this is a one-liner. In your bio paper, you will have questions which are asked for one line answer or one word answer, 1 mark each. Okay, so this can be a one-liner question. Okay, so H.G. Lang coined the word taxon. Then we'll see what is a category. Okay, now what is a category? Category is a rank or a level in the hierarchical classification. We have classified the organisms according to the units of hierarchy. Then any rank in that entire system of classification becomes a category. So what is a category? Category is a rank or level in the hierarchical system of classification. When we classify any organism according to its hierarchy of units, मग या hierarchical system मध्ये कोणतीही level किंवा कोणतीही rank ही काय बनते? Category बनते. Okay, now we'll come to understand this when we go for the units of classification. So let us see the units of classification first. ज्याला आपण म्हणतो की unit मध्ये टाकत. We have been mentioning that we are going to arrange any organism according to its units hierarchical order, descending order of what? Units of classification. Then let us first see what are these units of classification. These units of classification you have to learn by heart. You should know that sequence perfectly. हे units of classification तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहितच पाहिजे आणि त्याच ऑर्डर मध्ये ते आले पाहिजेत. Okay? Then you can write this is classification of any organism perfectly. So let us go for the hierarchy of units of classification. Before that, students, I want these definitions in your notebook. Okay? Now we'll go for the units of classification. Units of classification. Now I will write down these units of classification in the descending order from the highest category, the highest rank to the lowest rank. Then what will be the highest rank? Highest rank will be the kingdom. Okay, this is the topmost rank, first category, kingdom. This kingdom is the group, is the category, is the rank which is made up of many sub-kingdoms. Okay, so it will be made up of 2 or more sub-kingdoms. So below the kingdoms will come the division or the phylum. So it will be made up of one or many divisions or phylum. Okay, when it is kingdom Plantae, the next category, the category which makes up the kingdom in Plantae will be the division. In kingdom Animalia, ज्याचं किंगडम बनतं त्या कॅटेगरीला, किंगडमच्या खालच्या कॅटेगरीला म्हणतात फायलम. सिंग्युलर इज फायलम, प्लुरल इज फायला. Okay, so kingdom is made up of divisions or is made up of phyla. Okay, what is division or phyla made up of? Division or phyla will be made up of class. So category lower to division of or the phylum will become the class. One or many classes together, एक किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्त क्लासेस एकत्र आले की काय बनतं? किंगडम प्लांटी साठी डिव्हिजन बनतं किंवा किंगडम ॲनिमेलिया साठी काय बनतं? फायलम बनतं. लक्षात आलं? सो द कॅटेगरी बिलो द डिव्हिजन और द फायलम इज द क्लास. Of what is the class made up of? क्लासच्या खालची कॅटेगरी काय? तर क्लासच्या खालची कॅटेगरी असणार सब क्लास. Okay, one or many subclasses will make up the class. Getting it? What is the subclass made up of? Subclass will be made up of series. Of what is it made? It is made up of series. So series 1 or more than one series together will make up the subclass. So many series come together, they make up the subclass. Subclasses come together, they make up the class. Classes come together, they make up the division or the phylum. Phyla come together or divisions come together and they make up the kingdom. Are you getting this hierarchical order? Okay. Of what is the series made up of? Series is made up of cohort. कशाचं बनलेलं असतं? Cohort. Cohort कशाचं बनतं? It is made up of many families of organisms. Many families of organisms. Of what is a family made? Family is made up of many genuses of organism. And a genus will have one or more than one species. Okay, so the lowest rank in hierarchical order of classification becomes the species. The highest rank is the kingdom. So the units of classification in their hierarchical order are kingdom, division or phylum, class, subclass, series, cohort, family, genus, species. Okay, students? Now, let us go for writing the classification of some organisms that we already know. Okay, तुम्हाला जास्वंदीचं फूल माहिती आहे? Yes, every one of you know that. We call it commonly as hibiscus. What is its English name? Hibiscus. Vernacular name आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? जास्वंद, a well-known flower. Right? Now we will go for classification of this hibiscus. So let us go for classification of China rose, that is hibiscus, jaswanda. Okay, now when we go for the classification of jaswanda or China rose, firstly what have I to write down? Its kingdom. Then to which kingdom does this China rose belong? China rose belongs to the kingdom Plantae. To which kingdom does it belong? Plantae. Okay. In Plantae, to which division does it belong? Plantae मध्ये China rose belongs to the division Angiospermae. कोणत्या डिव्हिजन मधली आहे? अँजिओस्पर्मी. ओके, मग फक्त चायना रोजेस अँजिओस्पर्म आहे का? नाही, देर आर मेनी अँजिओस्पर्म्स. दॅट मीन्स इन दिस डिव्हिजन अँजिओस्पर्मी इट शुड बिलॉंग टू सम क्लास, राइट? सो टू विच क्लास डज इट बिलॉंग? In Angiospermae, it belongs to the class Dicotyledonine. Which class? Dicotyledonine. Then is the class of dicotyledones consisting of only this? No. There are so many subclasses that make up dicotyledonine. In this dicotyledonine, the subclass to which our China rose belongs becomes Polypetalae. What is it? Polypetalae. After Polypetalae comes the series to which this China rose belongs. Then what is the series of the China rose? It is Thalamiflorae. What is it? Thalamiflorae. Okay. After series should come the order. To which order does China rose belongs? The order or the cohort. Cohort also means the order. Okay. So the order or the cohort to which the China rose belongs is Malvaceae. What is it? Malvaceae. Now order is made up of what? Order is made up of different families. China rose Malvaceae या ऑर्डर मधल्या कोणत्या फॅमिलीला बिलॉंग करते? तर चायना रोज ऑर्डर माल्वेसच्या फॅमिली माल्वेसीचा मेंबर आहे. Which family? Malvaceae. Okay. In Malvaceae, it belongs to the genus Hibiscus. Which genus does it belong? Hibiscus. And in the genus Hibiscus, the species to which it belongs is Rosa sinensis. Which species? Rosa sinensis. So what is the scientific name of our China rose? It is Hibiscus Rosa sinensis. Okay. So this classification of China rose you have to learn by heart. हे तुमच्या tip of the tongue वर असलं पाहिजे. It is asked in your papers as either in the form of blank, fill in the blanks, or you will be asked a complete question of give the classification of China rose. So this hierarchical order and the categories should be perfectly learned by you. So this is the classification of China rose. Its scientific name is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Kingdom Plantae, division Angiospermae, class Dicotyledonine, subclass Polypetalae, series Thalamiflorae, order Malvaceae, family Malvaceae, genus Hibiscus, species